The Jamaica 4-H Clubs brings you a series aimed at sharing with you creative gardening concepts for your backyards. If you have backyard space, containers, a balcony in your apartment, or even a concrete roof, our friends at the 4-H will show you how to use your space creatively. Let's join our friends Dwayne and Demers as they take you through the steps of starting a healthy backyard garden.
Hi, welcome back to our Creative Backyard Garden feature. I'm still at the Rosal Training and Production Center, and I still have with me my colleague Demers. We're going to introduce you to some more concepts of backyard garden using limited space. Demers.
Thank you. Today, we're going to look and tell of how we utilize the small area at home to do your containerized gardening and vertical farming.
What are some of the areas can we use?
Your garage, your veranda, anywhere on the outside of your house, or even your rooftop.
Okay, great. So we said that in the last video. So tell us, what are some of the containers that we will require?
As you can see here, Sir Moody, we have old 5-gallon oil containers that we have utilized. For some persons, they might want the aesthetic look, so you can go to the farm store and you can buy small pots like these and put your stuff into, right? These are old vinegar bottles, old oil pans and stuff like that. We have tires that you can go by the tire shop and you can get them and utilize them right there. We have the bamboo that we had used to make an A-frame. I will show you that later on when we go on the other side of the premises.
When you spoke of the bamboo with the A-frame, what's the purpose in terms of, you spoke of vertical gardening initially.
Right.
So with that, how do you...
Thank you so much for that question, Mr. Modi. Now, for the A-frame, you get scrap boards from around your house that you have thrown down on the outside, not utilizing. You can make a simple A-frame with it. And then you can use bamboo. If you don't have bamboo, you can use old PVC 3-inch pipes and use it as shelves going vertical upwards. And you can put your soil medium inside there and you can transplant your seedlings. I mostly use the A-frame to plant my little herbs and spices like my scallion, onion bulbs, and even the garlic.
Okay, great.
Right.
So you can grow garlic on your veranda?
Right there on your veranda, in your garage, anywhere in your home. From once you can get good sunlight reaching it.
Okay, great.
And you know what the sunlight does, right?
The sunlight, tell us.
Yes. You know that plant create their food through a process called photosynthesis.
Okay.
That is what they need, the light from the sun to create their own food.
Okay, great. So sunlight is very important.
Very important, right.
Now tell us, what's the first step in creating your, what you call it, your soil?
Or soil, okay.
Mix for your containers.
Good question again, Mr. Modi. If you can look at this side, here we have the trellis on the side of the container that supports the plant right here, where it is trellising on the trellis. Is a method that is where the plant is being supported, that it don't run on the ground. For example, your cucumber and your tomato.
Okay. Good.
Right? So here we have the tomato being trellised right here from this container.
It's a form of support.
It's a form of support. Right. Also, after getting your containers, what we'll do, we will make our soil medium.
Join us in the next episode to see what other concepts will be introduced. In the meantime, follow the Jamaica 4-H Clubs on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Remember, your food security is your best surety. Join us again as we continue to make the best better.